Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 not launching from Steam. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but thankfully there are several solutions we can try. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will bring up your entire game collection and allow you to access the settings for Counter-Strike 2. In the left panel where all your games are listed, locate Counter-Strike 2. Right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various configuration options for the game. Now, look for the Launch Options section. Below it, you'll see a text field where you can enter specific commands that run when the game starts. These commands can help resolve launch issues by resetting configurations or changing how the game initializes. In that text field, type -autoconfig. This command resets the game to its default settings, which often fixes launch problems caused by corrupted configuration files. After entering this, close the window and try opening Counter-Strike 2. Give it a moment to see if the game launches properly. If that doesn't work, don't worry. We have more options to try. Go back to the Launch Options text field in Properties. This time, clear out the previous command and type -Vulkan. This forces the game to use the Vulkan graphics API instead of DirectX, which can resolve compatibility issues on certain systems. Close the window and attempt to launch CS2 again. Still not working? Let's try verifying your game files. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2 again and select Properties. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here you'll see an option to verify integrity of game files. Click on this button. Steam will now scan all your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your hard drive speed, so be patient while it completes. Alternatively, if none of these solutions have worked, you might want to consider a fresh installation. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2 once more, then hover your mouse over Manage. From the submenu that appears, select Uninstall. Once the game is completely removed, reinstall CS2 from your library. A clean installation often resolves deep-rooted issues that other fixes can't address. Lastly, if you're still experiencing launch problems after trying all of these steps, there's one more thing to try. Right-click on the Steam app icon on your desktop, then select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can sometimes fix launch issues that are related to file access restrictions. And that's it. You've now gone through all the main solutions for fixing Counter-Strike 2 launch issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.